While other cryptos are still down by 1% or 2%, Dogecoin's price has begun to surge. And it's surging quite well too. So is the bullish run finally here? And what should we expect in the coming weeks? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away 1 Ethereum to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now let's get started with today's video. This month, we had a slew of cryptos that bounced up, surged quickly, and surged extremely strongly. They hit all-time highs, smashed records almost every day, and then there was a sell-off due to Elon Musk's tweet. Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest and one of the smartest investors in the world, came out and said something shocking the other day. She said that she thinks BlackRock, which is one of the world's largest financial institutions, talked to Elon Musk and put pressure on him to manipulate the market. They were able to do so because they own a large number of shares and are important investors in Tesla. Currently, they manage over $7 trillion in assets and have recently gained exposure by allowing their clients to participate in Bitcoin and digital assets. She believes they instructed him to say something that would cause Bitcoin to crash, thus affecting the entire cryptocurrency market. So these are shady games, and they're buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies from the very financial organizations that are driving all of this. These are CEOs of financial institutions who are essentially whales and indulging in market manipulation, coming out on Twitter and saying horrible things about cryptocurrencies, while also investing in them is the most obvious definition of market manipulation and why cryptocurrencies have plummeted. Their prices have collapsed solely due to market manipulation. There is no breaking news to report. There are no fundamental issues in any of the cryptocurrencies driving the market to decline. Whenever you see cryptocurrencies, you know there's a lawsuit and they're going to basically remove or make it illegal in a country like the United States or a large corporation. Or if you see Bitcoin, you know it's been hacked, or if you hear about Ethereum, the network stops running and so on. These are fundamental errors. And when you hear about these errors, that is when you want to sell a cryptocurrency. But lately, there have been no fundamental issues, no basic issues with any of these cryptocurrencies, and yet they continue to plummet based on fake news, fear, rumors, and so on. When this happens, it's referred to as market manipulation, and if you've been in the market for a while, you've probably seen it happen a few times. Unfortunately, that's how the large whales play. They try to intimidate the little guy because a swarm of smaller guys can make a tremendous reaction. That is exactly what we have seen with GameStop. That's exactly what we've seen with AMC. That's what we've seen with Dogecoin. When the little guys band together, even if they're only buying or selling a small amount, they can cause a whole market to go crazy. And last week, the big guy scared the little guy into selling off, which caused fear, which caused panic. And this caused the little guy to sell off quickly. Remember that these are people who are new to investing. They've never genuinely experienced dips before, and they're terrified, so they're selling in order to preserve money. The money they're investing is being withdrawn in order for them to salvage some of what they have left, especially given they bought in at the height and so on. Simply put, there has been a lot of market manipulation, fear, and panic selling. It causes sell-offs, and these sellers can wreak havoc on the market for weeks at a time. Until you see huge rebounds, that's when institutions start to buy more. Cryptocurrencies start to pump, and whenever you see these things start to pump and start to move up again, that's when the little guy gets back in. They are frightened about missing out, so another train arrives. It's a domino effect. This bull run that we're seeing right now may last a long period, and cryptocurrencies will return to their previous levels, if not higher. That will happen this year. This is something I truly believe, but bear in mind that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I believe these cryptocurrencies will be worth 5 to 10 times what they are now, especially at this price. I see the promise of Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. Speaking on the basis of their technology and my fundamental understanding about them, these cryptocurrencies are headed in the right direction. That's why I'm not terrified when I see these huge crashes. It takes time, even years, for your investment to become fruitful. When investing, patience is essential because it can take weeks or months. Now, let's get started with some technical analysis. Let's take a look at Dogecoin and the overall crypto market cap to see where we're headed. So if you look at the 24-hour frame, Dogecoin stands firmly at the 41 cents mark. It is now up by almost 21% thanks to the announcement that the Coinbase listing is finally taking place. Following the devastation of the recent crash, we are currently in an uptrend and I think we're only going up from here. I believe the best time to invest would be right now because Coinbase will allow its users to trade Dogecoin from Thursday. If it could go up by 35% in 24 hours after the announcement that you can transfer Doge to your Coinbase wallet, I believe it could go much higher when trading actually begins. Now, let's move forward to some great Dogecoin news. Earlier today, it was announced that AMX Spiritus will be the world's first electric car to mine cryptocurrency from Dogecoin to Bitcoin while it's parked. If you don't know, AMX is one of the biggest competitors of Tesla. It has already received more than $350 million in pre-orders in only 60 days. In a press release, they said that the Spiritus car is for those who want more in life, and we are committed to putting our customers ahead of the curve. We envision a future where your highway tolls, your parking, and your drive-through order will be paid directly on the fly with crypto. Your online bills and your banking can be handled through the same software platform paid in crypto. And whereas most vehicles are depreciating while they sit in your garage, the Nebula miner will make you money while your Spiritus is parked. The potential applications are limitless. They added that AMX has been a champion for disruptive technologies since its inception, and the current crypto movement is a clear indication that by the 2023 Spiritus release date, we will be in the midst of the blockchain revolution. Everyone will be paying with crypto by then, and we are building these cars with that in mind. Now, this is incredible news, guys. Looks like they beat Elon Musk at his own game. Talking about Elon Musk, today he replied to a user who posted this incredibly interesting tweet. This user posted a picture of a hypothetical Dogefist and said that, "If Dogefist happens, we need Elon Musk to DJ Grimes and Snoop Dogg to perform, bring your own dog, Mark Cuban is the investor, and Doge for the payment for everything." Then Elon simply responded by saying, "Sounds kind of fun." You know, when Elon says that it sounds kind of fun, I actually think that he can make it happen. Now we're going to talk about JM Bullions, which is a corporation that sells genuine gold or any physical assets such as gold, silver, or platinum. You've seen all of the ones that our parents had saved. They sell those things, which is fantastic, but what you need to know is that they have officially begun accepting cryptocurrencies as a form of payment with a ceiling of $250,000. Yes, you can buy $250,000 worth of gold, silver, or platinum with Dogecoin. Now, finally, a company serves as a link between digital gold and real physical gold. It's fantastic to see how this organization is bridging the gap between digital assets and tangible assets like gold, silver, and platinum, all of which we used to hold back in the day. So you can now use the digital asset to purchase them, which is a huge step forward. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.